No, 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 no. Your mother shows why she was only allowed a supervised visitations. So in other words, she don't get to see her kids.
33-year-old Nizabeth. Nizabeth showed
Nizabeth?
up to her child's grandfather's
Nizabeth.
home despite a court order requiring supervised visitation with the Department of Children and Family Services.
Ooh.
After refusing to leave, the St. Petersburg Police Department was called.
I think it's here. No. I was reading that this yesterday completely again. No. Not here.
They told us to do an injunction.
I think this.
I'm gonna go.
It's a shelter. She said that it's a dependency shelter order. There we go.
Mother supervised, right? Visitation has to be supervised. But she doesn't want to be supervised. She said that DCF doesn't tell her.
That's not up to her.
Yep, it's not up to her.
to supervise visit. But she doesn't want them supervised. She wants to see them whenever she wants.
Okay, so supervised visitations at all times by DCF or an adult third party approved by the department.
Yeah.
Okay, has there been a third party approved by the department
No.
to supervise? So is it just DCF?
Only
Yes,
DCF.
the case manager.
Okay.
But she doesn't
Shall
want
occur at the department's office, center, or place agreed upon by parties a minimum of one time per week for 2 hours. Okay. Has there been any sort of visitation prior to today, or is this the first time?
that she shows up here. This is the third time she shows up.
Okay.
Wow.
And other times, has she had supervision with DCF, or
No.
she just come?
I didn't want to call the police. I just told her, you know, that you should not be supposed to be here. Can you please go?
Last time was
Then she
last
went to
Friday.
the-
She was here for an hour and a half.
We believe that she was waiting for me in the school, which is not. She's
Her
not.
brother just called me. She called him. She was at school waiting for the kids. That's what I don't like.
And she cannot do that.
And then
either.
she saw you
cannot
and
be in
she was
school either.
following you.
And yeah.
Because
she
the
was
school
waiting
is
for-
right behind our house.
I'm not following.
Come on,
her.
listen to this.
Yeah, I feel like she's talking. She was talking. She's
We
talking.
don't want to
She
see
is
the
talking.
kids seeing the police because they're gonna go wild. You see,
Okay.
this is the third time that we have to deal with this. The first time that I'm calling the police. And they told me yesterday to see if I can go tomorrow to the court and file an injunction.
Yeah. Okay. Says that she's violating the court order.
Yep.
To say the least, yeah.
Because she doesn't want DCF doing the visits with her. She wants to see the kids without supervision.
That's usually what they want.
Problem here.
What's the context behind this? Was abuse involved?
Neglect.
Yeah, neglect. Child neglect.
Okay.
Yeah, so probably part of her thing is if she can get the kids alone, she can try to, especially if the case is still ongoing or if there's something that the kids, like they're saying that until the kids say X, Y, and Z, or until we see X, Y, and Z, you have to have supervised visits or whatever. She thinks if she can get the kids by themselves and she can have access to them, that then she can try to sway their opinion or make them say something different to try to get things back to how she wants it.
She's mentally unstable. So that's why they try to get her in like a mental institution, but she
doesn't want to.
She has
They
not
don't,
agreed.
they don't want to get her bill credit, which is crazy.
So I'm gonna go try to explain this to
So
her.
Baker Act?
Does she have her own copy of this?
Yes.
She should.
That was the first time that she showed up when they gave her the copy, kind of arguing with me that, you know, what's this? Why are you doing this to me? Da, 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 da. I told her, you cannot be here. Talk to the court. We just have the kids now. Just talk to the court, please. And then she showed up last Friday because she canceled the appointment on Wednesday because she was with DCF and she told DCF, no, I'm going to go see them on Friday without you. And she came in, thankfully we were not here, but I can see her through the camera. She sat here for like an hour and a half waiting for us to come back. And today, DCF called us yesterday. She just texted us that she's going to show up at the house tomorrow because she doesn't want DCF to have the visit. It has to be on her own terms. So they told us, be ready. She most likely is going to show up today, and she did.
This visitation on her own term stuff is not up to her.
No.
There's a court order with the Department of Children and Families. When she can see her children, she has to abide by that. If not, you guys have to. I'm going to give you an event number. It's going to document why we were out here today. You guys need to, whenever your next visitation to child court is, you need to provide them with this. Let them know she's violating the court order. Judge will take that into consideration with the court case.
Right.
As of today, we can trespass her. I mean, he's already filled out trespass form.
Okay.
That'll be the first step towards having her stop coming here. If she comes back here, she can get arrested for trespassing.
Just for being here.
Just for
Okay.
being
After
here.
the warrant.
Because
But she
there-
got
this
that-
is pretty set in stone.
Hold on a
Order.
second here. There's 10 minutes left. This is a body cam thing. She gonna end up getting arrested. She gonna say something stupid when the cops get over there to tell her.
She can
Oh,
only
this is gonna be fun.
here supervised with DCF or a person that DCF chooses to have supervision with, and she cannot come here by herself. And she's been doing that. It's documented today. All this is on camera.
Okay.
So this is going to be a documentation that this happened.
Right.
I'm going to explain that to her. We'll try our best to explain that to her. She's going to get trespassed. If she comes back here, she'll get arrested on site.
And you may want to do the visits at someplace other than
Yeah,
your home,
not here.
because she's
No,
associated.
they're not
They don't
supposed
do them
be
there
here
to begin with.
Oh, okay.
The CF usually comes here,
Yeah.
but she doesn't want that. She wants to see them on her own
Yeah,
terms.
just to associate seeing the kids with some of the locations.
Okay, yeah.
Is that number? All right, Miss Naismith. What's your phone number? Okay, Miss Naismith. Have you gotten a copy of this document right here? That's your court order from the Department of Children and Families.
Let me see.
I'm not gonna let you see it. Just have you gotten a
I
copy of
wanna
this?
see because I have 3 different
Okay.
copies.
The question is, have you gotten a copy of this court order?
I'm not sure. I wanna see which
Okay,
one.
this court order
Tell her
says
what it's
that
dated.
this court order is dated February 5th, 2024.
Do you have that court order
Okay.
to you? Dated that day?
This is between you, your child's father, and this house right here regarding your children. Okay.
Saying what?
This court order right here says
Saying why?
supervised visitation shall be supervised at all times
I
by
don't
the
need no
department.
supervising.
Doesn't matter what you think. This is what the court
It
order
is.
is.
It is matter what I think.
Okay, this
It
is the
is.
court order.
Oh, no,
you have
don't.
to abide by this court
No, don't.
order. If you do not abide by this court order, it's going to make things more difficult for you to see your children. Do you understand that?
The
Okay.
one who needs to go check is for my cousin kids.
Okay,
not
well,
me.
whatever grievance you have needs to be taken up
No.
with the court. Okay?
No, I wanna see my kids.
Okay, supervised visitation shall occur at the department's office, a visitation center, or a place agreed upon by the parties.
So she
one
just
time per
wants
week
her
per
wet.
2 hours.
No.
Okay?
I wanna see my kids.
Okay?
No.
You can
That's
say
no reason at all.
you can say what you want, but this court order is standing. Meaning if you violate this court order, there's consequences, okay?
There's no cousin.
Consequences is gonna
There's-
be
there's no
making it difficult for you
consequences.
to see your children, okay?
Yes, it will, dummy.
What you're doing right now is just making things a lot more difficult for you, okay? There is a court, so you can still see your children.
She is. She's living in her
but
own
it's at the
fucking
direction of the
reality.
Department of Children and Families. When and where they said that can happen at. Not here, okay? You can't just come here. You can't just come where the order said you can't go, okay? Okay,
I
this
wanna see
house
my
right
kids
here,
normally.
I understand that. This house
No.
right here is not somewhere that you can be, okay? You can't just come here
You're being
whenever you want without
trespassed.
supervision.
I wanna see my
Okay?
kids.
I understand that.
No.
That's
I'm gonna tell
I
you-
don't need that.
Just listen. I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen
Does
if you
not
keep
make any
coming here.
sense.
You're being trespassed from this
I'm not
property today.
trespassing at all.
Like I said, doesn't matter what you think. What's going on is what's happening, okay? You're being warned to not come back here today, okay? If you come back here today, you're gonna get yourself arrested.
Or any day from now.
Or any day from now on.
For
Do you
what?
understand that?
Because you're
Sir,
being
you wanna know if
trespassed.
she's
They said you're not
trespassing?
allowed
I'm not
here.
trespassing. Yo no estoy
You are.
trespassando.
You
Quiero
didn't
ver a
tell
mis
her- you
hijos
didn't
y
tell
ya.
Okay, go ahead.
Sabe muy bien lo que
And how
pasó.
long is she trespassing?
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
You need to tell her how long it's
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
Okay, let her know.
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
You are permanently trespassed from this house. If you return here, you will be arrested on
No,
site.
que me resten, pero sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
No.
Sabe muy bien lo que
Why is you're gonna
pasó.
get arrested? You're not supposed to be here.
Sabe muy
You
bien
cannot
lo que
trespass
pasó
this in
con
this
los
house
nenes.
never ever
Que
again
viene
from now on.
Titiana a traer ese nene y hace cuanta falta, mucha falta de respeto con mis hijos.
Do you want to sign your warning or no?
No, I'm not gonna say
Okay, would you
nothing.
like-
Okay, then arrest her.
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó con los nenes. Y todo lo que me hicieron a mí en el afuera.
You will
Yo no
still be
estoy mal, yo no
able,
estoy
Miss
loca.
Naismith, you will still be able to see your children, just not here.
But no supervising. I don't need no supervising.
Okay, that is not up to you.
Yes, it is.
That is not
No,
up to
it
you.
ain't.
Yes, it is. I don't need no
No, it
supervising.
ain't.
Okay, you need to leave.
I don't need no. Yo quiero ver a mis hijos, ¿no?
Okay.
I wanna see my kids.
No.
Yo quiero ver a mis hijos.
No, you
Ma'am.
didn't. We'll take care of that part, guys. You guys play for too. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Kurt.
Okay, you have been permanently trespassed in this place. You need to leave.
Leave now.
I wanna see my kids.
If you do not leave, I will pull you out of the car and put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. You need to leave right now.
I wanna want to see my kids.
No.
I want to see my kids.
You have 15 seconds to leave. If you do not, I will pull you out of the car
15.
and put you in
I want to see
handcuffs.
my kids.
Nope.
They know what they did.
15,
No, I want to see my kids.
14,
I want to see my kids.
13,
I
Ooh,
wanna
two,
see
I
my
like it.
12, 11. You can leave now.
I want to
10.
see my kids. No.
9. I like this officer. He's counting down. I like him. Please.
They're doing it wrong.
7.
They're doing it wrong.
6. A 5.
5.
A 4. A 3.
They're
You
doing
leave.
it
A
wrong.
2.
They're doing it wrong.
What?
They're doing it wrong.
1.
Here they come. And now you're under arrest, bitch. And now you're under arrest.
Point back.
And now you're under arrest, bitch. And now you're under arrest. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh, you bitchy, bitchy, bitch. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you bitch. Now you're under arrest, you fucking bitch.
Ma'am. Put your hands behind your back, please. Ma'am, hold your hands.
I want to see the kids that I neglected. Please! I neglected them so much. Now I want to see them.
I got it.
Quick, I'm going to hit the horn.
Okay, ma'am, stop.
Be nice.
Stop resisting.
Dude, this is 2024. Why she got a flip phone?
Really small wrist, so watch.
Be fucking be nice.
You don't want you to hurt yourself.
They're
Still got your head. Watch your hand. Get your head piece.
They're lying. They're lying with a court order.
My arm.
Yeah, I bet you it hurts, doesn't it? It hurts, doesn't it? Aw. Sucks to be you getting arrested for doing the shit that you did. Aw.
They're lying. They are lying. They are lying.
Who's lying? The kids?
Oh my
Or the cops?
god. My arm.
Or who's lying?
Going that way.
You're
For
going.
what?
You're under arrest.
Under arrest.
You refuse to leave.
Yes.
Give me. But oh my god.
Yeah, it's going to be
Wait.
towed and impounded.
Wait.
It's going to be pounded right in.
No, search real quick, ma'am. You have anything on you?
I know.
You have any drugs on you?
No.
You have any weapons?
No.
Okay, the officer's gonna check
I
you real quick,
wish.
all right?
I.
I'll move her car on the street.
They don't. Would you? Who the fuck's lying? How can she think anyone's lying right now? You're under arrest for them telling you to leave and you not wanting to fucking leave.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna end up parking your car in the street. So when you're released from jail, you can come pick it up. Okay?
They'll be lying.
Okay. There was no need to have this happen.
They'll be lying. Everybody.
Okay, so you need to talk to the court in order to have contact
That has
with your children.
no-
Sounds like you.
They'll be lying. And they know that. Can you put it?
No.
Can you untie?
Yeah, see, she's got
No.
2 fingers there.
No.
She wants.
Can you?
She wants them around front.
Can you?
Don't check your pockets for weapons now.
Oh, I got money.
The back of my
I
hand.
want my kid. That's
Some stuff in the
it.
front right there.
I understand that, but you gotta follow the court orders now.
No, because everybody have been lying.
Okay.
And they
Okay.
don't want to accept it.
Every time you come back,
Yeah.
it's gonna continue to happen.
Okay. So everybody else has been lying on you to get you in trouble. That you neglected your kids when the cops came and got you, obviously, for neglecting your kids. But yet everybody's lying on you. And you who don't want to follow anything. See, if everybody was actually lying, here's the thing. Then you just follow what the court is saying. And then you prove that everyone's lying. However, if no one's lying and everyone's telling the truth, you act entitled like this and you get thrown to fucking jail, hopefully. I hope.
You wanna not follow directions?
No, everybody have been lying.
You're just making things a lot harder for yourself, man.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just offending.
Yeah, you're offending. Exactly, you are offending.
Oh, my arm.
Too bad, they hurt. It's not meant to be comfortable. Bye.
I'll park now. There's property, sir. Okay, she was arrested for refusing to our orders to leave, so she's going to Pinellas County Jail right now. She's only trespassed from the actual physical property, so she's allowed to be in the street. So
Okay.
she can come back when she's released from jail and pick up her car. And we're just going to make it really clear to her that when she comes back, that she can't come on the property. If she does come on the property, go ahead and take a photograph or a video of it. So
Yeah,
there's proof.
cameras all over.
Yeah, so then we have the officer
Nice.
can have proof if it becomes a problem. Does that make sense? And she'll just
Yeah.
get arrested again. And then, you know, it does vary the number of times that people need to be arrested to follow this law, but eventually everybody does. Does that make sense? Sometimes
Okay.
some people are hard-headed and it takes a couple of arrests. Some people it's one arrest, right? I don't know her history or how much arrests she has or whatever.
Yeah.
So usually the more arrests they have in their history, the more it takes. Usually the fewer arrests
Nice.
they have, one usually does the trick, right?
Okay.
So, okay, guys, have a good night, okay?
Thank you.
Okay,
How
yeah.
long should be arrested?
Well, it's considered the lowest crime level, so she'll be able to bond out
Okay.
right away. So
Okay,
she'll be back tonight.
Pick up
Hopefully,
their car.
hopefully she'll come pick it up. Or smarter would be for her to have a family member come pick it up, right? Or a friend.
Okay.
Does that make sense? But anyway, she's going with the keys. The car is legally parked. She has all her stuff. She has the ability to come get it or have a friend or family member.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, have a good night. Thank you. See you.
No, she doesn't have the ability. She absolutely does not have that ability.
Trespassing or I need to see my kids.
See?
I'm not the problem. They're the problem.
See? I'm not trespassed. I don't need that order. See? She's not going to listen.
In the end, the suspect was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence. She pled no
Nice.
contest and was adjudicated guilty. She was sentenced to 73 days in jail with credit for time served.
Nice.
She was
Really?
also ordered to pay costs and fines, which
Which
went
she did
unpaid
not.
and now have a balance due of $1,028.76.
And
When
she
was
still
released from
can't see
jail,
her
she refused
kids.
to leave the property.
Yep.
She was again arrested for trespassing after warning. If you like this video and want to see more
Yep,
like it,
yep,
subscribe
yep,
to
yep.
Arrest Cam. As always,
And she never saw her kids again. So they say. The wind blows and we hear tale that she never saw those children again because of her stupid actions. Be smart, people. Don't act like that.